Okay, let's look at the new shrimp that I have. Let's look at the new shrimp that I have inside the box. So it's 15 plus 7, that means 22 shrimps, and they arrived a few hours ago, maybe 1 or 2 hours ago from the courier. It's how much is this? This is 25 ringgit, and there are 22 shrimp. So that means per shrimp is about 1 ringgit and 13 cents. 1 ringgit and 13 cents. This is rejected shrimp, which is rejected. Yeah, rejected means nobody wants it, and therefore it's cheap. So the colors might be brown, might be colorful, who knows. So I'm going to open this up if I can find a way to open this up. It's like opening a Christmas gift and see the colors. Hopefully they are alive. Hopefully they are alive. And trepidation. Open this up and see. Oh, it's small, big, small, some small, some big, some small, big. And what's this? Oh, this must be an ice pack. Yep, it's an ice pack. Who gives a shit? And that's it. Oh, there's no colorful, nice colors. It's all like darkish brown. Not that impressed actually. Not that impressed indeed. But there should be 22. Unless I'll count it. Wash this one here, and oh, there's a shrimp food. Just I'll wash it, and oh, there's some reds there. I'll pause the video for the what called shorts version, and I'll wash this. Oh no, I'm not gonna wash it with chlorinated water. I'll wash it with water from the sky, which is called rainwater if I'm not mistaken. So 22 pieces it says.